Hello, children. Welcome back to class with me, Leo the Lion. Today, we're flying through the numbers 1 all the way to 10. Are you ready?
Here we go!
What's this first number?
1.
That's right. One paper airplane flying high. What number comes after 1?
2.
Yes. 2 wings on an airplane. You're doing great. Let's keep flying. What's next?
3.
3 stars in the sky. Well done, children. Can you guess this one?
4.
4 roaring lions. That's us. High five. What number is this?
5.
Yes, 5 fingers for a big high five.
The numbers are climbing. What's next?
6.
6 buzzing bees in the jungle. Zzz. What comes after 6, children?
7.
Correct. 7 shiny buttons on my flying jacket.
Let's keep counting.
This one looks like a snowman.
8.
That's 8 jungle drums beating together. Almost there. What do you see?
9.
9 colorful balloons flying high in the sky. And now, the last number of today's adventure.
10.
10 happy children learning together. That's you. Amazing work, children. You just counted all the way to 10. Give yourself a big roar of applause. I'll see you next time for more magical learning adventures with me, Leo the Lion.
Thank you for watching.